Welcome to the Kingscliff Sales and Rentals property video presentation of 1/6 Mimosa Avenue at Bogangar. Here's the property. Here is circled in the foreground, and in the distance you'll see Cabarita Beach headland, and closer to that is the Cabarita Beach township. Here it is how the property presents from the street. As we step inside, we've got an L-shaped lounge dining room, updated kitchen as well, balcony at the front of the property in full sun most of the day. Stepping through to the bedrooms, there's 2 bedrooms. Don't worry, the pink walls have already gone. Built-ins in both bedrooms, air conditioner in the main bedroom. Main bathroom has a separate shower and vanity. And then going downstairs, we've got a large rumpus room with laundry at the back of it. Off to one side, we've got another room, and also another room downstairs which could be used as a 3rd bedroom. Also internal access to the garage. Unfortunately, there's no internal access to the upstairs of the building from downstairs. Barbecue cabana in the backyard, good sized fence backyard. And that concludes our video presentation of 1/6 Mimosa Avenue at Bogangar. We end our video here with one last clip, flying down from a higher altitude back down to the ground, and once again we've circled the property here, 1/6 Mimosa Avenue at Bogangar. Mimosa Avenue is a nice, quiet, tree-lined street with well-established homes. Should you be interested in viewing this property and want to take a look at the property, then please call our office at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals on 0266 745 888. Email the rental staff at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au for viewing times, or for more photos and information, visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au.